Before you start crocheting, the first thing you need to learn is how to hold your crochet hook. So let's get started right now. All right, I'm going to show you the two most common holds for a crochet hook. These two ways are not necessarily the only ways to hold a crochet hook. However, they are the most common. The first is called the pencil hold. And the reason it's called a pencil hold is because you hold the hook, and it doesn't necessarily mean you're on a thumb rest, because many hooks do not have a thumb rest, but you're holding the hook in such a way that it looks like you're writing your name or you're writing a paper or something like that. So this is the first way. And then the second way is the knife hold. And the knife hold looks like you're cutting into a steak. Either way works, as long as you are making your stitches properly. How you are holding your hook does not make a difference. So try them both out and see what works best for you. I'm a crocheter who uses both holds because it allows me to change the position, allows me to protect my hands, and I can crochet longer. But most people will find that one hold works better for them over the other. So most of the time you're going to see me holding my hook like this, which is the knife hold, because it is the best way for me to crochet. But that does not mean that it's the best way for you. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. And also, if you ring the bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll talk to you next time.